Been an update in the Mathura dispute pertaining to the Krishna Janmabhoomi and the Shahi Idgah Mosque, wherein there was a significant development in the courts where there has been a survey that has been ordered for the Revenue Department in Mathura to actually conduct by examining the premises of the Shahi Idgah Mosque. Remember, this is also a legal dispute wherein the petitioners are actually claiming that this was the original site where Lord Krishna was born. It's also called the Krishna Janmabhoomi, on which the Shahi Idgah Mosque had been built by the Emperor Aurangzeb. We have some reactions coming in with respect to these developments in court as well. Let's listen in. But before we get to those reactions, we have Mayank on the phone line for more on this. Mayank, the deadline that has been set for the Revenue Department to submit this particular report is the 20th of January, as per the indications that we received yesterday. So give us an insight into how the Revenue Department will now proceed into the survey of the area.
Our conversation with the district administration officials in Amroha, they will, form a council of tehsildars who will be mapping the area where these accused, have their places, and then they will be asked to deposit this sum of money as soon as possible. So what we are learning is that there will
The latest update pertaining to the survey that's been ordered into the Krishna Janmabhoomi-Shahi Idgah Mosque dispute is that the court in Mathura has given instructions to the local revenue department to examine the site and submit a report by the 20th of January. Now, the Hindu petitioners in this particular matter are claiming victory, because to them, this is very much in line with a similar survey that had been ordered in the Gyanvapi issue case in Varanasi as well. And they believe that this will actually bolster their claim with regards to the authenticity of the site and the fact that it's been believed by a vast majority of the Hindu population that this is the precise location in which Lord Krishna had been born. Of course, some of the skeptics pertaining to this entire matter believe that this falls foul of the Places of Worship Act 1991. So therefore, the Muslim side can perhaps be expected to appeal this matter into a higher court by invoking the Places of Worship Act and claiming that can such a survey actually be conducted when a status quo has been ordered by the Places of Worship Act to preserve the character, the religious character of the sites as they were on the 15th of August 1947. So this is something that, of course, will continue in the courts, but the takeaway from the developments in Mathura yesterday is that there has been a deadline set for the 20th of January in this matter. But let me go across to Akanksha on the phone line for more on this. Akanksha, the Revenue Department in Mathura are expected to conduct a survey and submit a report to the court by the 20th of January.
Well, absolutely. Now, after Kashi, it is Mathura. The land dispute is back in the spotlight with this crucial order from day before yesterday when a local court here said that, in fact, ordered a survey of the Shahi Idgah Mosque, which is set to be built on Krishna Janmabhoomi. The court has directed the Revenue Department officials to go to the Shahi Idgah Mosque, inspect the area and file a report with a map by January 20th. Now, judge has also issued notice to the Muslim parties to come forth with their replies and their response by the next date of hearing, which is January 20th. And by that time, the Revenue Department officials have to submit their report after inspecting the Shahi Idgah Mosque. Now, remember, this entire dispute, this land dispute, is regarding the ownership of 13.77 acres of land